All right, so chapter number 4 starts out by talking about stoichiometry, and it gives you, it asks for a balanced chemical reaction on a couple of problems. Question number 1 tells you to balance a chemical reaction of CH or C2 H2 ethine with oxygen to produce or to do a combustion reaction, which is going to always yield CO2 and H2O. Now, question number 2 says, okay, hypothetically, you have a balanced chemical reaction. And what we're going to do is we're going to take H2 plus O2, and we're going to produce H2O. Okay, so this is just an example problem. Now, to balance this, what we've gotten, and for questions number 2 and I believe 3, you're given a balanced chemical reaction. But we can balance this one real quick by just putting these coefficients up front here. Now, what this tells us is that the simplest and the most efficient way for this reaction to take place is if 2 moles of H2 react with 1 mole of O2. And when that happens, you will get 2 moles of H2O. So you have molar ratios here. For example, 2 moles of H2 has a ratio 2 moles of H2 relates to 2 moles of H2O. 2 moles of H2 relates to 1 mole of O2. 1 mole of O2 relates to 2 moles of H2O. And this is all getting you going in the direction of understanding a balanced chemical reaction and a stoichiometry with, like, if you have this and you have this, how much of this product can you generate? So this is a primer. So where you're just looking at what is the ratio of our reactants to one another, and where are you possibly going to take this? Okay, so that's going to prime you for question number 2. Question number 3 is going to get a little bit trickier, and I'm going to do that in just 1 second.